This video will guide you on how to make use of the timer restart option when creating actions within rules. Firstly, navigate to Rules. You'll notice a rule named Timer Restart Example. We'll be editing this rule for today's demonstration, so we will select it. This particular rule has been set to trigger as an event and is programmed to be active always except for holidays. I've also assigned it a unique icon and color for easy identification. Click on Next to proceed to the following step. Here, I've elected for a smart device to trigger this rule when its status changes. The device is scheduled to work during the night-only period. After making your selection, click on Next again. In the following step, the sensor located in the garage is selected. This sensor will trigger the Home Security Protocol for presence detection when motion is detected. Now, let's proceed to assigning actions for this rule. For this demonstration, I've decided that upon detection of motion by the sensor, the entrance light will illuminate to 100% brightness. Then, after a delay of 5 minutes, the light will automatically switch off. Here's where our timer restart option comes into play. This function ensures that if the rule is triggered again while a delayed action is awaiting execution, the delayed timer will restart. In our example, if the sensor detects motion again before the 5-minute delay is completed, the timer restarts, thus ensuring that the light remains on for another 5 minutes. Please keep in mind that when using wireless devices, they have a pre-programmed no-motion time and go to sleep to conserve battery life, which could affect the delay functionality. Therefore, the timer restart function works best with sensors or devices that use externally supplied voltage or those that are continuously awake. Go ahead and try this feature to enhance your home automation experience.